Hello everyone, very good evening to one and all. Welcome back to the Vichita Rajkumar online classes. Today I am going to give the some of the important questions with answer in the unit of the 4. Okay, this subject is belongs to zoology for the bridge who are going to write a bridge course first year students. Okay, let me see one by one. Who are watching first time, please watch till the end of my video. Like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Okay, in this first in I will give the 1 mark questions as well as 4 mark questions will be there. So first we will see about the 1 mark questions. Here so what is the importance of the air? Okay, here the AI will be there or mistaken, it's not came. Okay, so what is the importance of the air bladder in fishes? Okay, so I have already marked here. The answer will be like this. Okay, from okay, just wait. Okay, so here the importance of the air bladder in fishes. Okay, here the respiratory gases exchange is performed by 5 to 7 lamelliform gills without operculum. On each side air bladder is absent, so they have to swim constantly to avoid sinking. Bony fishes have air bladder acting as a hydrostatic organ, it helping the fish float easily at the desired level without much expendation of energy. So this is the main importance of the air bladder in fishes. What they will do here, it will act like acting as a, see here the acting hydrostatic organ. This is the main answer will be there like here okay, bony fishes have air bladder, it will make helping the fish float easily at the desired level without much expenditure of energy. This is the answer for this one. Okay, this is from here to here we can write it. Okay, so second question, if you'll see the second question, distinguish between the milt and sperm. So during a amyclexis, the mass of eggs and the mass of sperms, so the mass of sperms released by the female, whereas the male are called sperm and milt respectively. Okay, so this is, so here the distinguish between the milt and sperm. Here the mass of sperms released by the female, male are called sperm. Okay, so this is the differentiation between the milt and sperm. So milt, here the mass of eggs and mass of sperms released by the female. So whereas the mass of eggs are male are called sperm. Female we can call as a like a male are called sperm, the female called as a milt. Okay. Next, third question, name the 2 poisonous non-poisonous snakes found in South India. Name the 2 poisonous and non-poisonous snakes found in South Asia. So either poisonous snakes, non-poisonous snakes will be there. This is the answer. From here to here you can write. Okay, Naja, okay, Bangaras, fighters. So you can write this one. Okay. So next, coming to the fourth point, name the 4 extra embryonic membranes. Okay, the extra embryonic membranes, namely amnion, okay, allantois, chorion, yolk sac. This is the answer. Okay, this extra membranes, namely amnion, allantois, chorion and yolk sac. This is the answer. Okay, got it? Name the 4 extra embryonic membranes. So this is an amnion, allantois, chorion, yolk sac. Okay, next coming to the fifth question, what are the Jacobson's organs? What is their function? Here the Jacobson's is a mainly specialized olfactory structures are highly developed in lizards and snakes. It's clear? This is the answer. This is a middle ear has a singular ear ossicle called, not this one. Here the mainly Jacobson's organs, the specialized olfactory structures are highly developed in the lizards and snakes. So this is the answer. Up to here you can write it. Okay. So next, sixth question is what are the pneumatic bones? How they help birds? So here the pneumatic bones, modern flying birds have undergone modifications in their morphological, anatomical and physiological features as adaptation to suit their aerial mode of life. So here the using powerful breast musculature, pneumatic bones, endothermy with a high metabolic rate, keen sense of vision, etc. and all. Okay, you can do from here to here you can write. Okay, so this is the sixth one. Next, coming to the seventh question, name the 3 meninges. In which groups of animals do you find all of them? Okay, here name the 3 meninges. In which groups of animals do you find all of them? Here they will see the Like a malleus, incus, stapes, cochlea. These are all the, this is the answer. Okay, malleus, incus, stapes, cochlea. Okay, this is the malleus, incus. Your eyes have, okay, here the external ear has a large fleshy and cartilaginous flap called pinna. Middle ear possesses 3 ear fossicles. No, okay, up to here only you can write it, ma. Malleus, incus and stapes. No need to write cochlea. Okay. So next coming to the 8th question, how do you distinguish a male frog and a male frog from a female frog? Okay, so here the frog exhibits sexual dimorphism. Male frog can be distinguished by the presence of the sound amplifying vocal sacs, whereas it will be absent in the female frogs. Actually, it will exhibit the female male frog like a presence of sound amplifying vocal sacs and completer pad will be there for the only male frog, but whereas the female frog it may be absent. Okay, next coming to the, so I finished the 1 mark questions. So here the 9th onwards we are having the long questions like 4 marks questions will be there. So here the 4 q means 4 marks questions. Okay, name the 4 hallmarks of chordates, explain the principles and functions of each of them. This is the answer, you can write it. Okay, same thing we can write it. So next continuation of this answer, this answer, 4th question answer only this one. Okay, dorsal tubular nerve cord, pharyngeal sides, clefts, forced anal tail. These are all the continuation of the 4th 9th question answer. Up to here you can write, up to kangaroo is there, up to here you can write it. Okay, this is the answer. Next coming to the, sorry, okay, from here, okay, 2 times I have given, no, this is the same only. So next continuation, 8th is finished, 9th question, 10th question this one, all 9th question is finished, 10th question this, list out any characteristics that help distinguish a fish from the other vertebrates. This answer from here to you can write it. Fishes are completely aquatic. Okay, from here to you can cold-blooded animals. List of the 4 characteristics that help to distinguish a fish from the other vertebrates. You can write this one. Okay, this is the answer. Diagram also you can write it. So next continuation, this continuation up to here you can write 10th question now. Up to here you can write host is up to next 11th question also here only. Compare or contrast cartilaginous and bony fishes. Okay, from here to here you can write it. Continuation will be there. There are marine fishes which possess cartilaginous endoskeleton from there to there. Okay, up to here you can write it. Okay, this is the 11th question. So next 11th question, this also continuation will be there. 11th question, continuation 11th question answer. Okay, next question, 12th question. This is a write 8 silent features of the class Amphibia. 12th question continuation. Next 12th question continuation, can this 12th question continuation you can write it. 12th question continuation this one. Okay, next this is the 13th question. What are the modifications? See, what are the modifications that are observed in the birds that help them in flight? This is a very expected question for final examinations. Okay, what are the modifications that are observed in birds that help them in flight? Okay, okay, taken 2 times. Correct only answer. If you want, here only half of the page I have taken. Pick continuation from up to here will be there. So this 13th question, this is a very very important question for the final examinations. Go through 2 or 3 times. In this also one more questions will be Jacobson's also will be there. Okay, go through that. Next last question is this one only, last 4 marks questions from the 4th unit. In this also you may get the 5 marks weightage. What are the features peculiar to ratite birds? Give 2 examples of it. Ratite. This is the continuation. Okay. Not continue. This is the end of this unit. Okay. So till now I finished the first unit, second unit, third unit, fourth unit also I finished. So please try to make the notes. Try to make the running notes, then only it will be easy for you people. So when you are going to write the final examination, you can easily prefer the notebook. Okay. I hope these videos may be helpful for you people who are watching my channel. So thank you all once again. Keep in touch with my content. Okay. Thanks to all.